Oh, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you are still with me. Oh, wait till my pot get hot. Guys, I'm also gonna make a drink. Yeah, yep. Doesn't that look good? Woo! That looks really yummy. Look at my screen, guys. The screen looks kind of smoky. There. That's look good. So then I'll put a little bit of oil in the pot, in both pots. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. So this way I could get everything going. Not too much. You don't want it to be too greasy. Okay, guys? Like the channel, guys, and if you're new, please subscribe, like the channel, check it out, see what it's about, and see if it's for you. If it's not for you, then that's cool. And if it is for you, then you can stick around. And if you'd like to leave a suggestion or your name or where you're from, that's cool too. We're not picky here at Farrell's Corner, you know? We welcome all. All is welcome. Even if you're a vegetarian, you can still stay. I have some vegetarian dishes on there, and you could try them out, and you can let me know if it's how you do yours or whatever. Like, just interact, you know what I'm saying? No biggie, no fuss. Oh, my gosh. Yes. All right, so my pot should be, doesn't take long, guys. I'm going to turn it over here so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see that very well. So just going to put some oil in there, in both corner. Put a little bit more in here. All right. Then I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. Mostly for the chicken wings, because the chicken wings is going to be in this pot over here. Okay. Then I'm going to put some onions in there, some green onions as well, not the red pepper, like that. Yeah, throw that in there. Give it a little stir. Let it do its thing, guys. If you could smell what I'm smelling, guys, it smells so good. The onions, the garlic, and the green onions, it's like giving out this aroma. You just want to lick your lips and nothing's cooking yet. Ha! Nothing's cooking yet, guys. But it looks and it smells good. I'm just gonna wait till that gets golden. Yep. It's just doing its magic thing over there. So this is the rice that I've had, the basmati rice, guys. Oh. Yep. So today was a quiet day. Today I didn't do much. Today I just went and I did my taxes. I came back home and I was cool. You know, guys, in case you haven't done yours, this is the time to do it. You only have a couple of days left. And you don't want to miss it, especially if you're old now. Ooh, you know they're gonna come after you. They are gonna come after you. So make sure if you didn't do it, you do it. Remember, Food-Farrell told you, remember to do it. Yeah. And I'm always a last minute person to do mine, but it's done. Am I happy with the results? Of course not. Not in my favor. Not at all. Okay, so guys, this is looking really, really good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ooh. I hope you could see that really good. If you cannot see that really good, let me know, guys. Ah, let me know. So guys, today I dropped a video and another song. Yes, another song. Check out that video. So go on my channel and look it up. It's my music video promotion, and you should check it out. The song is really cool. We did a lot of funny things in it. Time goes slow. That's what it's called. Time goes slow. And I had a lot of fun doing it because I think you know what, you have to be funny sometimes. You have to let loose sometimes. So that was about, and yeah, it was really really good. Okay, so look at that, guys. It is so brown. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken in there. I know you heard that. I know you heard that.